It doesn't matter what you think of Donald J. Trump. If you studied the Bill of Rights, the Constitution, or U.S. history, it is completely clear. What the Ninth Circuit did just a few hours ago in a 3-0 ruling is unprecedented. The law on the books since the 70s, and there were previous laws to that, said the president can suspend people indefinitely, not just 90 days, while they vet and make sure that people aren't basically terrorists. And Trump even released today a whole list of people with terrorist backgrounds that had been let in. Everybody knows about the attacks that have been taking place. The fact is, this is the law. This is not debatable. This is so dangerous to have a judicial coup inside America and to have all these different legislators and all these different members of the courts as well and people in the executive bureaucracy calling for overthrow, calling for coups in America. Hey, don't worry. There was already a coup. Multinational banks and corporations have hijacked America and Europe. England is under the EU, never voted to enter it. They voted 6 months ago to leave. They said, we're not letting you leave. But you know, the good news is, I'm not putting a good face on this, it's true. The good news is the people are understanding how they've been dominated, how they've been usurped, how they've been hijacked, how they've been enslaved. And so it's only a matter of time until this falls. Only a matter of time until Donald Trump fills the Supreme Court vacancy and has the 5-4 to override this. So you enjoy your criminal victories, and you enjoy trying to unionize the West and bring in people that are incompatible with our free society so you can end our free society with your political correctness. It's not going to work. This is a big time to be alive right now, and they're launching censorship, they're launching tyranny, because they're in their death throes. The authoritarians, the anti-liberals, that call themselves liberals, who are really just a bunch of shallow idiots and their controllers, are going down and are falling as we speak. So I want to, again, invite everybody out there who feels as I feel, that sees the history that I see, and who wants true freedom and true sovereignty, to understand we're not welcome in these Islamic countries, and Christians and others aren't even allowed to go there. And so we should point out what the globalists are doing and what Peter Sutherland of the UN admits they're doing, and understand the real threat here, and understand that this is an attempt to take down our truly open free society, and that we're not going to put up with George Soros and the globalists. We want real peace, real détente, and a real future, and that humanity and the sleeping giant is awakening. The sleeper is awakening. This is a very magic time to be alive, and the intimidation, the bullying isn't working anymore, and it just lets us know how important freedom is. So I want to thank you all for your support. Thank you all for the great work you're doing, no matter what color you are, where you came from. If you stand up for sovereignty and human individuality, we're all brothers and sisters together. And I'll be on the radio tomorrow at 11 a.m. Central when we kick off the show. Infowars.com/show.